How to change Netflix video quality. So go open your Netflix application, tap into your profile, then click on your profile icon here on the upper right corner. Now proceed to the settings, click on cellular data usage, and this will show you three options. First one is the Wi-Fi only, second is the save data, and third is the maximum data. Now, to have the best possible quality on Netflix, choose the maximum data. So basically, that's the adjustments you can change in Netflix. Another factor you should consider is the plan that you're subscribed to. If your plan is the cheapest, obviously you will only have the standard 480 pixels, and if you have the standard plan, you have 1080p, and if you have the premium plan, you have the access to the 4K resolution, which is the HD. So that is how to change Netflix video quality. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.